Dzień dobry, guten Tag. I am here in Opole, or Oppeln in German, where the Forum of European Minorities is convening on invitation by the German minority here in Poland. I found it quite interesting to hear that at the last census, over 100,000 people in Poland identified also as German. And 500,000 people identified as being Silesian, which by one person locally here has described to me as a watered down version of a German identity. It is somewhat disappointing to hear that the Polish government reduced the German instruction in schools from 3 hours per week to 1 hour per week. A representative of the new majority at the last election, a new majority was formed in the Polish Parliament. A representative of the new majority has confirmed here to the forum today that the discrimination of the German minority here is going to end within a matter of weeks, he says. Some people here perceive the German minority as problematic, and that's due to historical reasons, because this region was part of Germany until 1945 and had been for centuries. Leave no doubt, the current borders are final, but it is regrettable that minority rights still vary quite a lot across the EU. FUEN, that is the Forum of European Minority Regions, brought forward the Minority Safepack initiative to the EU, but sadly the EU has turned it down. They are appealing, but aren't very hopeful that they're going to be successful. The forum furthermore heard that trading increases by 44% apparently if trading partners share a common language. So maybe it's a good idea for economic reasons as well to embrace the German heritage here in Silesia.